Replacement doors Dallas should be handled by a licensed door installer who understands local building needs and can manage everything from door frame replacement to custom door installation. A trusted door installation company Dallas, Texas can provide replacement door contractor support for home door replacement, business door replacement, and same-day door replacement when urgency matters. With door replacement contractors in Dallas available across the metro area, property owners can get secure replacement doors with reliable craftsmanship and efficient service. Exterior door installers Dallas often recommend energy-efficient doors for better insulation, lower utility costs, and improved comfort during hot Texas seasons. Energy-efficient door replacement Dallas options are especially valuable for homeowners seeking secure exterior door replacement Dallas solutions that combine performance with curb appeal. From replacement entry doors Dallas to fiberglass entry doors Dallas, Texas, steel security doors Dallas, and wood front doors Dallas, Texas, the right door upgrade services can deliver both beauty and protection. For neighborhoods across the city, replacement doors near downtown Dallas, replacement doors in North Dallas, replacement doors in East Dallas, replacement doors in South Dallas, and replacement doors in West Dallas are available for properties of all sizes. Dallas Replacement Door Services can support everything from residential replacement doors Dallas to commercial door replacement Dallas, giving businesses and homeowners access to replacement doors Dallas tailored to their needs. Convenient local coverage makes it easier to schedule door replacement Dallas, Texas work without delay. Front replacement doors Dallas, Texas is one of the most effective ways to improve a home's first impression while strengthening security at the main entry. Replacement entry doors Dallas can be selected in wood, steel, or fiberglass, depending on the look and performance desired. With front door replacement Dallas, Texas services from a replacement door contractor, property owners can upgrade the entire entryway with high-quality materials and professional installation. Patio door replacement Dallas, Texas and sliding glass door replacement Dallas are popular choices for homes that need smoother access, better natural light, and improved indoor-outdoor flow. Sliding door replacement, patio door replacement, and custom replacement doors Dallas, Texas can all be customized to match existing architecture and performance requirements. For homeowners seeking a modern update, replacement doors near downtown Dallas or in surrounding neighborhoods can create a more open, secure, and attractive living space. Residential door replacement and home door replacement projects often include interior door replacement, exterior door replacement, and door frame replacement to fully refresh the property. Interior door replacement Dallas, Texas can improve privacy, reduce noise, and enhance room design, while exterior door replacement strengthens weather resistance and security. For families searching for replacement doors in North Dallas or replacement doors in East Dallas, a licensed door installer can recommend the right materials and finishes for lasting results. Commercial properties also benefit from business door replacement and commercial door replacement Dallas services that support safety, accessibility, and professional appearance. A door installation company Dallas, Texas can handle secure replacement doors for storefronts, offices, rental properties, and multi-unit buildings. From steel security doors Dallas to custom door installation for specialized openings, commercial clients can rely on door replacement Dallas, Texas expertise to minimize downtime and maximize protection. Wood replacement doors Dallas, steel door replacement, and fiberglass door replacement each offer different advantages depending on location and usage. Wood door replacement is ideal for classic character and warmth. Steel door replacement provides strong security and durability, and fiberglass door replacement delivers low maintenance with excellent energy efficiency. Whether the project is replacement doors Dallas, custom replacement doors Dallas, Texas, or door upgrade services for a single entryway, choosing the right material helps maximize long-term value. When urgent issues arise, same-day door replacement can be essential for damaged, failed, or unsafe doors. Replacement doors Dallas, Texas providers can assist with emergency front door replacement, patio door replacement, sliding door replacement, and secure exterior door replacement Dallas for both homes and businesses. For anyone needing replacement doors in South Dallas, replacement doors in West Dallas, or anywhere else in Dallas, Texas, Quick service from experienced door replacement contractors in Dallas keeps properties protected and functional.